Top industries AI will destroy off first. Will robots and artificial intelligence soon take over our jobs? It seems inevitable that AI will disrupt many of the industries we rely on today. But which ones are most at risk in the coming years? Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll look at the top industries experts predict could be radically changed by artificial intelligence soon. From truck driving to customer service to creative fields, intelligent algorithms and robots may soon replace humans in these jobs. So without wasting your time any further, let's get started. Number 1. Manufacturing. Manufacturing has long been a staple industry, providing stable and reliable jobs for millions worldwide. However, the rise of artificial intelligence threatens to turn manufacturing on its head. AI-powered robots and automation could replace many of the human workers that make up the backbone of manufacturing today. Just look at car manufacturing. Intelligent robots are already transforming it. Highly dexterous robot arms can assemble door panels, insert windshields, and attach tires at speeds no human worker could match. Machine learning algorithms help these robots continuously improve, getting faster and more precise with each car. Soon, fully autonomous robots requiring minimal human supervision could build entire cars, start to finish. It's easy to imagine how quickly robots like these could displace human workers on the assembly line. And it won't stop at car manufacturing. Everything from electronics to appliances and consumer goods can be assembled predominantly by AI-powered machines soon. Even highly complex tasks like intricate welding and machine working could be mastered by adaptive AI robots. For many manufacturing workers who only know the single trade, such a rapid automation advancement poses a significant threat. Manufacturing employs millions globally. What will happen when human hands are no longer needed? There will still be some jobs, as humans will be required to supervise the robots, but far fewer will be employed on the factory floor itself. Manufacturing is unlikely to disappear entirely. However, it will employ fewer and fewer people in manual labor and assembly line roles. AI promises enormous productivity gains, but also uncertainty for manufacturing workers worldwide. This essential pillar industry could see jobs evaporate quickly as intelligent automation continues its relentless march. Number 2. Transportation. The transportation industry is also poised for significant upheaval from artificial intelligence. Specifically, the rise of autonomous vehicles threatens to displace millions of human drivers around the globe. Long-haul trucking could be one of the first sectors shaken up by self-driving trucks. Engineers are already developing AI-powered big rigs capable of driving continuously without a human driver. Some models still need a human as a backup, but prototypes rapidly require less and less human intervention. Autonomous trucks could be commonplace on highways within a decade. And it's easy to see the appeal for transport companies. Self-driving trucks don't need sleep. They can drive 20 hours daily. Their reactions are faster than humans, and they obey traffic laws to the letter. Once the technology matures, they are likely to have far fewer accidents, and devoid of human limitations, they may drastically reduce transport times and costs. But this revolution could come at the cost of millions of trucking jobs. In the US alone, there are over 3 million truck drivers. For many, long-haul trucking is their lifelong career. Pushing them out of this job would leave them stranded with no easy options. Retraining would be difficult for those with decades of driving under their belt. The same pattern threatens to repeat across transport. Autonomous ride-sharing fleets could replace taxi drivers, delivery drivers, bus drivers, forklift operators. Nearly any profession involving vehicle operation is vulnerable. While the efficiency gains for companies are tremendous, workers could be cast aside. Transportation may always be partially automated. Human oversight of autonomous systems can prevent glitches. But the sheer volume of driving jobs humanity depends on appears risky in the face of advancing AI. When self-driving technology arrives in full, millions of livelihoods could be disrupted quickly. Number 3. Customer service. Another area where AI threatens to supplant humans is customer service. Chatbots and virtual assistants leverage natural language processing to understand customer needs and respond appropriately. And while early versions were notoriously limited, the capabilities of AI customer service are rapidly improving. Take banking and finance. Virtual assistants can now handle common customer requests for any significant institutions, from checking account balances to credit card applications. The AI seamlessly interfaces with banking systems just as a human representative would, but it works 24/7, doesn't need a salary, and answers basic questions consistently. E-commerce sites are utilizing similar chatbots. The AI can walk customers through purchases, recommend products, and answer shipping and inventory questions. And they always maintain patience like their human counterparts. Phone support lines are integrating intelligent virtual assistants too. Your call may be routed to an AI for simple issues like billing questions. Even complex services like travel booking could soon be handled predominantly by artificial intelligence. AI travel agents could suggest personalized recommendations, find optimal flights, and provide detailed trip itineraries. And they can be continuously updated with new destinations, route options, and tourist attractions. So AI threatens to automate massive customer service work across sectors. It's easy to imagine chatbots and virtual assistants handling 80 to 90% of routine customer interactions. Only the most complex issues would get passed onto a human representative. There are already over 2.5 million customer service reps in the United States alone. Massive job losses could result here. AI conversation abilities do have limitations currently, but they are rapidly bridging the gap with humans. Once these systems are sophisticated enough, millions of customer service jobs worldwide seem poised to evaporate. People seeking careers in this field may find options dwindling as AI customer support becomes the norm. The media and entertainment realms will likely see significant shakeups from artificial intelligence systems. Specifically, AI could take over many tasks related to producing media content, from generating articles and videos to creating realistic imagery and audio. Now, take writing for instance. AI programs can write straightforward news articles, sports recaps, and financial reports. Give the algorithm inputs like crucial data points and rough outlines, and it will synthesize an article. The writing must still be elegantly human, but passable, grammatically correct, and informative. And these AI authors' assistants' natural language generation abilities are improving rapidly. Soon, they may match average human writing in tone, style, and creativity. Companies could use AI article generation to generate unlimited content at minimal cost. Freelance writers and journalists could be badly impacted, with only the best able to compete with AI writers. Creative visual media like videos and movies could see AI take over significant portions of production. AI can generate detailed human imagery, scenery, realistic textures, and 3D rendered objects. Programs can now mimic the style of famous artists and animate eerily lifelike characters. An AI assistant could help generate sets, characters, animations, and other assets for use in videos. Between synthetic media generation and AI writing, we may see a surge of AI-produced content flooding the internet and media channels. News outlets and media companies can drastically boost output at little cost. Of course, much of this synthetic content so far lacks true human creativity, but it's sure to keep improving. All this could significantly reduce demand for human artists, animators, writers, and other media production roles. The entertainment industry has always relied on immense diversity of human talent, but AI threatens to automate and replicate much of the creative work. Media production and journalism jobs could only take a significant hit if people continue preferring content from real human creators. Number 4. Agriculture. Agriculture is yet another traditional industry facing potential technology-driven unemployment thanks to AI. Robots and drones stand ready to take over many everyday tasks involved in farming. Robot tractors can already plow fields and spread seed with perfect accuracy. Some can even harvest crops like tomatoes, flawlessly picking each fruit from the vine. Fruit and vegetable picking has always been manual-intensive labor, but dexterous robot arms may soon make human fruit pickers obsolete. Livestock farming also stands to change through AI automation. Drones can regularly fly overhead to monitor for injuries and signs of illness. Fitness trackers on individual cows can log health and movement patterns, and AI assistants can track and manage optimal feed regimens for entire herds. Such automation can provide vastly improved monitoring compared to human checks, but it also reduces the need for as many farmers, ranchers, and field workers to tend to the animals day-to-day directly. Crop spraying will benefit from intelligent drones too. AI pilots and imaging can precisely target problem areas and optimize spray coverage. The drones can fly patterns and get angles impossible for a tractor or human sprayer. This boosted efficiency may cut farm jobs as fewer human spray operators are needed. Agriculture is becoming data-driven through AI optimization of inputs like water, fertilizer, pesticides, etc. However, efficiently maximizing yield often means reducing human oversight. Agricultural employment could drop sharply if robotics and data analytics displace fewer traditional roles. The many examples highlight how AI threatens to automate many jobs humanity currently depends on. And while specific roles will remain out of reach for AI, such as creative arts, most raw physical and mental labor is vulnerable. Customer service, driving, manufacturing, writing, millions make a living in these sectors. The rapid advancement of intelligent algorithms and robotics put these jobs at high risk, but hope remains that new industries and opportunities may arise from all this disruption. With so many talented people displaced from their traditional work, new innovative domains could flourish. But in the near term, be prepared for AI to encroach on some of the economy's most vital industries. Well, that's all for today. Let us know in the comments if you think your job is at risk too. And remember to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon and stay updated for more AI news and analysis. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.